Have you ever stopped to think about what actually happens when you open your browser and type something like, "how to make a robot," into Google? Or when you tap a YouTube thumbnail and the video loads instantly? To most of us, it feels like magic. But behind that magic is a powerful system of machines, cables, and code working together to bring information to your screen, all in just a few seconds. So today, let's break down how the internet really works, in simple terms you'll never forget. Let's start with this. The internet is like a giant digital highway system. Every device connected to the internet, your phone, your laptop, even your smart fridge, is like a car driving on that highway. And every website, like YouTube or Cybertech, is a destination. When you type in a web address, your device sends a request to find that destination. But first, it needs the exact address, not the name like youtube.com, but the IP address, which is like the house number of that website. That's where the DNS, or domain name system, comes in. Think of it like the internet's phone book. You ask for a name, it gives you the number. So when you type www.cybertech.com, your device quietly asks the DNS, "Hey, what's the real address for this site?" Once it has the address, your request is packed into little digital envelopes called data packets, and those start their journey through the internet. These packets travel through a web of routers, servers, and cables, many of which run underground or even under the ocean. In fact, over 95% of international internet traffic moves through undersea fiber optic cables. These cables can send light signals across thousands of kilometers at almost the speed of light. Now, here's the amazing part. Your device isn't just talking to one server. It might talk to multiple servers in different countries, all working together to send tiny pieces of information back to you. Your browser takes those pieces, HTML, images, video clips, and stitches them back together like a puzzle to show you the complete website. And this happens every time you click, swipe, or scroll. That's why faster internet speeds matter, because you're really just speeding up this invisible delivery system. The internet works through a series of protocols, basically, rules for how data is sent and received. The two most important ones are TCP, IP, and HTTP, HTTPS. TCP makes sure all your data packets arrive safely and in the right order. IP helps direct them to the right location. HTTP is like the language websites use to talk to browsers. And HTTPS adds encryption, that little lock icon in the browser, so your data stays private and secure. And what about Wi-Fi? Well, Wi-Fi is just a wireless bridge between your device and your router, which is connected to your internet service provider. So even though you're not using a cable, you're still connecting to this giant global system. If your router is the local post office, then your ISP is the delivery truck that sends your message out onto the global road. The internet may seem fast and simple, but it's actually an incredibly complex system built on layers of technology, each with its own job. At the bottom is the physical layer, the cables, servers, satellites, and routers. Above that are the protocols like TCP and HTTP, which manage how data moves. And on top of everything is the application layer, the stuff we interact with every day, like your browser, YouTube, or this video. So next time you search for something online or hit play on a video, remember, your request travels through digital highways, makes a few pit stops, and arrives at the exact address, all in a blink. And understanding this system makes you more aware, more tech-savvy, and more ready for the future. In the next video, we'll explore something that's changing the world of money and security. What is cryptocurrency and how does blockchain work? So make sure to like this video, subscribe to Cybertech, and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Until then, stay curious, stay connected, and keep exploring the future with Cybertech.